Imagine a moving mansion so massive and refined that it challenges everything you thought a motorhome could be. A 3-level luxury marvel that turns highways into runways and travel into a statement of absolute prestige and futuristic living. Welcome back to the channel DreamDrive Homes, where we explore the most breathtaking homes on wheels and the bold ideas shaping the future of luxury travel. Today's journey is on an entirely different scale, because we're unveiling the 2026 Mercedes Triple-Floor Decker Motorhome, a vehicle that feels less like an RV and more like a modern architectural landmark that just happens to move. This is a creation that pushes boundaries so far that it fundamentally redefines what mobile living can be, proving that the future of luxury travel isn't about compromise but about expanding possibilities beyond anything previously imagined. The moment you lay eyes on this triple-decker motorhome, it's immediately clear that Mercedes is not playing by conventional rules or following traditional motorhome design principles. This is a towering, sculptural presence that commands attention from every angle, blending cutting-edge automotive engineering excellence with contemporary architectural design principles that wouldn't look out of place in the portfolios of world-renowned architects. Its exterior is defined by clean, precise lines, expansive glass panels that seem to defy structural limitations, and smooth flowing surfaces that give it a futuristic yet elegant personality that manages to be both bold and refined simultaneously. Unlike traditional motorhomes that stretch lengthwise along the road eating up horizontal space, this revolutionary creation rises upward, using vertical space intelligently to create an entirely new class of mobile living that has never been seen before. It feels bold, confident, and unapologetically luxurious, specifically designed for those who want to be seen and remembered without saying a single word, letting the vehicle speak volumes about their success and vision. The proportions of this triple-decker are genuinely staggering when you first encounter it. Standing beside it, you realize this isn't just a large motorhome. It's a genuine multi-story building on wheels that happens to be mobile. The height creates immediate visual impact that draws eyes from impressive distances, making it impossible to ignore in any setting, whether traveling on highways or parked at exclusive destinations. The engineering required to make something this tall stable and safe while moving at highway speeds is extraordinary, representing years of research, development, and testing by Mercedes engineers who refuse to accept that such a vehicle couldn't be built. The lower level is where power meets purpose in the most impressive way possible. Built on a heavy-duty Mercedes commercial platform that has proven itself in demanding commercial applications worldwide, the foundation is specifically engineered to support immense weight distribution while maintaining smooth handling characteristics and remarkable stability that defies what you'd expect from something this substantial. Advanced air suspension systems adapt in real time to changing road conditions, load distributions, and driving dynamics, keeping the ride surprisingly composed and comfortable despite the vehicle's extraordinary size and height. These suspension systems can raise or lower the vehicle as needed, providing additional ground clearance for challenging terrain or lowering the center of gravity for improved highway stability and easier entry when parked out from the driver's seat. The cockpit feels unmistakably Mercedes through and through, exuding that refined, intelligent, and technologically rich character that the brand has perfected over decades of building premium vehicles. Digital displays wrap around the dashboard in an immersive configuration, offering comprehensive navigation with real-time traffic updates, detailed vehicle diagnostics monitoring every system continuously, and smart driving assistance systems that make maneuvering this giant feel controlled and reassuring rather than intimidating or overwhelming. Cameras positioned strategically around the exterior eliminate blind spots entirely, providing the driver with complete awareness of surroundings through multiple display views. Advanced sensors monitor everything from tire pressure to weight distribution, ensuring the driver always has complete information about the vehicle's status and condition. Step inside the first floor, And the scale of this motorhome truly begins to sink in as you're greeted by interior volume. That seems impossible for a mobile vehicle. This level functions as the social heart of the home, designed specifically for gathering, entertaining, and enjoying time with family and friends. A spacious lounge welcomes you immediately with floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the interior, with abundant natural light throughout the day, creating an open and airy atmosphere rarely seen in mobile living spaces, which typically feel enclosed and confined. Plush seating arrangements resemble those found in luxury penthouses in Manhattan or London, rather than anything associated with road vehicles, featuring premium upholstery in the finest materials, soft textures that invite you to sit and stay, and meticulous stitching throughout demonstrating craftsman-level attention to detail. Every surface feels intentional and purposeful, from the polished exotic wood accents, carefully selected for grain patterns, to the ambient LED lighting subtly embedded into walls and ceilings, creating layers of illumination that can be adjusted for different moods and times of day. The furniture throughout this level isn't typical RV furniture that's lightweight and functional, but somewhat cheap feeling. Instead, these are substantial pieces built to residential standards with solid construction, quality materials, and finishes that rival luxury home furnishings. Sofas and chairs provide genuine comfort for extended periods, not just adequate seating for short stops. Coffee tables and side tables feature premium materials like marble, exotic woods, or tempered glass with metal frames, adding to the upscale residential feeling. The color palette is sophisticated and calming, likely featuring neutral tones accented with carefully chosen colors that create visual interest without overwhelming the senses. The kitchen on this first level is nothing short of extraordinary and represents a quantum leap beyond what's typically found in motorhomes, designed specifically for long-term living and serious cooking, rather than just reheating prepared meals. It features full-size residential appliances that don't compromise on capacity or functionality. A full-size refrigerator and separate freezer provide ample storage for fresh ingredients and prepared foods, while a professional-grade range with multiple burners and a large convection oven handles any cooking task from delicate sauces to roasting large cuts of meat. Integrated smart storage solutions maximize every cubic inch of available space, with pull-out drawers, rotating corner cabinets, and vertical storage making everything accessible and organized. High-end finishes throughout rival those found in luxury apartments in major metropolitan areas. Marble-style countertops provide beautiful work surfaces that are heat-resistant and durable, while concealed induction cooking surfaces maintain clean lines and modern aesthetics. Touch-activated cabinetry responds instantly to gestures, opening smoothly and silently to reveal organized contents. Under-cabinet lighting illuminates work surfaces perfectly, while a powerful ventilation system removes cooking odors and excess heat efficiently. This is a kitchen built not just for reheating convenience foods on the road, but for real cooking, serious entertaining, and hosting dinner parties. Wherever the journey takes you, whether parked at a national park or in an exclusive resort community, a substantial island provides additional preparation, space, and storage while serving as a natural gathering point where people congregate during cooking or casual conversations. The island might incorporate additional features like a prep sink, wine refrigerator, or breakfast bar seating, making it a multifunctional centerpiece of the social space. High-quality bar stools with comfortable upholstered seats provide seating for quick meals or for guests to sit and chat while the chef prepares dinner. As you move upward via an internal staircase to the second floor, the experience becomes even more refined and personal. This level is dedicated entirely to comfort, privacy, and relaxation, serving as the private quarters away from the social spaces below. Here you'll find multiple sleeping quarters designed to feel like boutique hotel suites, rather than typical motorhome sleeping areas with their cramped beds and minimal privacy. The master bedroom is genuinely expansive by any standard, featuring dimensions that rival master bedrooms in luxury homes, with a king-size bed positioned strategically to enjoy panoramic views through large curved glass windows that provide natural light during the day and stunning vistas of stars at night. Soft ambient lighting throughout creates relaxing atmosphere with multiple layers controlled independently, allowing occupants to create the perfect lighting for any activity from reading to relaxing. Acoustic insulation in walls, floors, and ceilings ensures absolute quiet and privacy, blocking road noise when traveling and providing peaceful silence when parked. Advanced climate control systems with individual zone controls ensure absolute comfort, regardless of outside conditions. Whether parked in the mountains during winter or cruising through desert heat during summer, the bedroom feels like a genuine sanctuary, a place to retreat and recharge away from the world. Custom closets provide organized storage for extensive wardrobes with hanging space, shelving, and specialized compartments for shoes and accessories. A private vanity area offers space for grooming, with excellent lighting and storage for personal care items. Every detail is considered to make this feel like a permanent luxury residence, rather than temporary mobile accommodation. The bathrooms on the second floor genuinely redefine expectations for what's possible in mobile living spaces. These are spa-inspired sanctuaries featuring rainfall showers with multiple shower heads, and body jets providing luxurious bathing experiences. Premium fixtures from prestigious European manufacturers, known for exceptional quality and beautiful design. Heated floors and natural stone, providing comfort especially during cool mornings. And elegant finishes throughout that feel far removed from anything traditionally associated with motorhomes or recreational vehicles. Every detail is focused on making life on the road feel effortless and indulgent, completely eliminating the compromises that once defined mobile living and forced travelers to accept reduced comfort and convenience. The third floor is where the 2026 Mercedes Triple-Floor Decker Motorhome truly separates itself from anything else on the planet and enters territory that's genuinely unprecedented. This upper level is a statement space designed specifically for leisure activities, creative pursuits, and unforgettable experiences that create lasting memories. Depending on individual configuration and personal preferences, it can serve multiple purposes as a panoramic lounge with comfortable seating and stunning views, a private cinema with projection system and theater seating, a home office with proper desk and ergonomic seating for remote work, or even a luxury dining area for special occasions. Massive glass walls wrapping around the perimeter provide breathtaking views in every direction, turning surrounding landscapes into living artwork that changes continuously with every mile traveled. In some configurations, this top floor opens to create a semi-outdoor terrace feeling, using advanced glass technology and sophisticated climate control systems to blur the line between inside and outside spaces. Imagine sipping morning coffee above the treetops in a forest while birds fly past at eye level, hosting an intimate evening gathering overlooking a spectacular desert sunset, with colors painting the sky, or working remotely on important projects, while surrounded by alpine scenery with snow-capped peaks visible in every direction. This level transforms travel into an immersive lifestyle rather than just movement from one place to another, making the journey itself as rewarding as any destination. Technology is deeply integrated throughout the entire motorhome in ways that enhance living without being intrusive or complicated. Smart home systems allow you to control virtually everything, including lighting throughout all three levels, temperature in multiple independent zones, entertainment systems with audio and video, privacy glass that can transition from clear to opaque instantly, and comprehensive security monitoring with cameras and sensors, all managed through a single intuitive interface or simple voice commands in natural language. High-speed satellite internet ensures constant, reliable connectivity regardless of location, making this motorhome perfectly suited for digital nomads who work remotely, executives who need to stay connected to their businesses, and content creators who refuse to disconnect from their audience and workflow while exploring the world. Sustainability also plays a major role in the design philosophy, which is remarkable given the vehicle's substantial size. Despite its impressive dimensions, the 2026 Mercedes Triple-Floor Decker Motorhome incorporates advanced energy solutions, including high-capacity battery systems storing substantial power, solar panel integration across the roof generating electricity during daylight hours, and efficient power management systems that optimize consumption. These technologies significantly reduce reliance on external hookups and support extended off-grid living without sacrificing comfort or performance. It's a genuine glimpse into how even ultra-luxury travel can evolve responsibly toward sustainability. What truly makes this motorhome special is not just its impressive features and capabilities, but the philosophy behind its creation. Mercedes has taken the fundamental idea of a motorhome and expanded it beyond all previous limits and conventional thinking. This is not designed for quick weekend camping trips or stays at crowded campgrounds with picnic tables and shared facilities. It's built specifically for individuals who view travel as a complete lifestyle, who want their home to move with them seamlessly wherever they go, and who believe firmly that luxury should never be compromised by location or circumstance. On the road, this triple-decker commands attention everywhere it goes without exception. It's not just a vehicle moving through traffic. It's a landmark in motion that turns heads and stops conversations. People don't just notice it casually. They stop what they're doing, stare in amazement, and question what's actually possible. It represents a future where homes are no longer fixed permanently to one piece of land, where freedom and comfort coexist perfectly without sacrifice or compromise. The 2026 Mercedes Triple-Floor Decker Motorhome is not for everyone, and that's exactly the point and precisely what makes it special. It's for visionaries who see possibilities others miss, for explorers who refuse to be constrained by conventional limitations, for entrepreneurs who've achieved success and want to enjoy it on their own terms, and for luxury enthusiasts who demand more than traditional travel can offer. It challenges the boundaries between architecture, automotive engineering, and interior design, merging them into a single awe-inspiring creation that defies easy categorization. As we look toward the future of luxury motorhomes and mobile living, this triple-decker stands as a powerful symbol of what happens when imagination leads engineering, rather than following it. It proves conclusively that the road ahead isn't just about reaching destinations efficiently, but about fundamentally redefining the way we live, move, and experience the world around us. If you enjoyed exploring this incredible mobile mansion and want to see more groundbreaking designs like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to DreamDrive Homes, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. The future of homes on wheels is bigger, bolder, and more exciting than ever before, and we're just getting started on this journey.